Welcome. In this video, I'll show you 3 ways to translate your campaign system text here in Omnisend. Alright, so first up, I'm going to show you how to translate the system text for all campaigns and automations. The second one is for individual campaigns. And the third one is for individual automations. Okay, so first up, for all campaigns and automation. So what you'll do is just go back to your Omnisend dashboard. Now click on Store Settings. Right here, just find Language and Translations. Click on it. Now, once it loads, make sure that the email settings right here is set to the language that you would want to use. Okay. Now, the second one is for individual campaigns. Now, let's go ahead and go to campaigns right here. And let's just go ahead and open up one of our pre-made campaigns. Now, in here, what you'll do is just go ahead and find the settings section. So basically, you'll find that right here at the top left. Click on Edit, like so. And then scroll down, you have Language. All right. So just basically select one. For example, I would want to use Spanish right here. You can now then go and click on Save and Close or edit the email content. Okay, it will show English in your end as your system's language is set to English, but don't worry about it, as if your campaign goes live, it will be in Spanish, okay, on what it's set here. So another one is for individual automations as promised. So go to automations right here and select one of your automations, okay? For example, this one right here. Now in here, let's go ahead and go to the email block, okay? This one is an email block. If you don't have one, drag and drop, okay? Click on it and go to the right panel, scroll down. Here you have language. All right, let's say I'm going to go ahead and use Italian. Update, and you're good to go. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.